Hey! In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how the RenderLion AI Video Generator works. Fast, fun, and super simple. First, register or sign into your RenderLion account. Next, you've got two awesome ways to get started. Click URL to video from the top menu and submit a blog page link, news article URL, or even an online shop product page. Also, click Content to Video if you want to add static content directly. You can drop in text or articles, event details, product offers, job posts, ads or promotional content, social media posts, announcements or messages, or even just images, whatever you choose. Once you've added your link or content, just hit the Generate button. RenderLion AI instantly analyzes your input and auto-generates a voiceover script, animated text slides, visual effects, and more. And voila, in under 1 minute, RenderLion will present you with 3 animated video previews, all crafted from your input, whether it was a simple web page link or a plain block of text. Whether you submitted a news article that needs to catch attention, a social media post that deserves more engagement, a product description that needs visual storytelling, an event promo or real estate listing, or even just a short, meaningful message, RenderLion transforms it instantly into visual magic, giving you 3 different animated directions to preview and choose from. And trust me, seeing your words and images come alive in video format is seriously next level. Click the Style button to apply a saved brand kit. This keeps your videos consistent with your colors, fonts, logo, avatar, and more. No brand kit, no problem. Just leave it on random and let RenderLion's AI choose a great style for you. Next, hit the Sound button to pick a background music genre. Or keep it on random and let the AI find the perfect vibe. Want to tweak the content? Click Edit Content. Here you can add or rearrange images, change the voiceover style, edit the text-to-speech script, adjust slide text, click Update, and the previews will refresh instantly with your changes. Keep in mind, every video created in RenderLion is automatically generated in 3 formats: square, portrait, and landscape. You can easily switch the preview size anytime using the size selector at the top right of the screen, just like I'm doing now. Pick your preferred format as the default. And now, let's jump into the real magic of RenderLion. Click the New Instant Hunt button and let the magic begin. In less than 1 second, RenderLion will generate a fresh set of 3 animated video previews based on your original input. Hover over any preview to instantly watch how the motion effects, transitions, and animations play out in real time. See something you love? Click the Save button and it'll be added to your My Videos section for later use, editing, or download. Want more options? Keep clicking. New Instant Hunt as many times as you want. Each click is like spinning a creative slot machine with brand new layouts, transitions, visual effects, and motion styles, all styled to fit your content. There are thousands of unique combinations waiting to be discovered, so don't hold back. Keep exploring until you find one that really speaks to your message or brand. And once that perfect preview appears, just click on it and get ready to bring it to life in the next step. Once you've picked an animation preview that you love, you're just a step away from bringing it to life. To turn it into a high-resolution video, just hit the Render to Download button. Want to be ready for any platform? Switch the video size and hit the Render to Download button for portrait, square, and landscape formats as well. It's quick and ensures you're covered for every use case. In just a few minutes, depending on video length and effects, your fully animated video will be ready to use, with voiceover, music, and motion graphics baked right in. Use square format for Instagram feed, Facebook feed, LinkedIn, and product pages. Use portrait format for TikTok, Instagram stories, Reels, YouTube Shorts, Snapchat. Use landscape format for YouTube, websites, LinkedIn posts, presentations. And here's the bonus. RenderLion also gives you a full set of thumbnail images for every size you render. Use them in social media posts, email campaigns, web banners, or any place where you need eye-catching visuals. Whether you started from a URL or just dropped in some text and images, RenderLion is the fastest and easiest way to turn your ideas into scroll-stopping short videos. No editing software, no design skills, just content, clicks, and amazing video magic. Perfect for marketers, creators, business owners, or anyone who wants to bring their message to life instantly. So, what are you waiting for? Visit RenderLion.com now. Start transforming your ideas, posts, offers, articles, even just your favorite images, into engaging videos that speak, move, and convert. Let your content roar with RenderLion AI Video Generator.